Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Cambodia? Let's explore. Construction jobs are in strong demand in Cambodia as cities like Phnom Penh continue to expand. The average annual gross salary is around $3,000, which comes down to about $250 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is roughly $2,700 or about $220 monthly. Wages are higher in the capital and urban regions, while rural construction workers earn less. New workers may earn around $150 a month, while those with years of experience can earn up to $400. Trade school or vocational training can lead to better paying jobs. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.